Foundation. Now your makeup artist would love to tell you eye primer, Sephora or eye primer No. Eye primers are the worst thing you can use. They're completely useless. I mean, the most useless thing in the makeup industry is eye primer. Absolutely worthless, right? So you can just use any concealer or any foundation जो आपके face से आधा tone light हो अपनी eyes के ऊपर, and that's more than enough. That's my primer. Why is it a primer? Do you know why I'm applying this cream? What is a primer? Yes. Yes. What it does is, it makes your skin smooth and it holds the product. We call this cream powder relationship. अगर आपने पहले cream लगा दी है, so you can put powder and cream after powder cover it. That's what you want. And why am I using a lighter color than her face? Any idea? How? How? Have you ever seen a painter painting on a black canvas? They use a white canvas because colors all reflect होते हैं. It's the background, you see. अगर background light होगा, तो colors all rich होंगे. But don't make it very light. Just make it half tone or one tone lighter than the skin tone. And what are the tones on her face, guys? What are the tones? I told you 4 tones. Dark color. A little bit of pink, but the most common color between yellow, pink, and just a little bit of white. We have to respect that, okay? But what we need to give her is कि yellow, pink and white डाल दो. Face grey नहीं होना चाहिए तो 99% टाइम होता है. अभी नहीं होगा, शादी होगा, शादी नहीं होगा तो जो एकदम से फेरे होते हैं and make a finely humidity face and wet करना शुरू करता है. So you can't put too much pink. Pink is something which is our enemy and our best friend. अगर आपको ब्राइट का मेकओवर करना है, कॉम्प्लेक्शन चेंज करनी हो बिफोर आफ्टर वाला लुक चाहिए, राइट? तो आपको पिंक डालना पड़ेगा. बट डस्टी स्किन पे यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट कि आपको ऑरेंज एंड येलो की लेवल्स रखते हुए हल्का हल्का पिंक. ओके, वी गेट मोस्टली वीकनेस इन डस्टी स्किन एंड ऐसी स्किन तो बहुत ईजी है बेस करना. आई वुड से इट्स नॉट अ चैलेंज, बट डूइंग ऑन अ वेरी डार्क स्किन, डस्टी स्किन, पिगमेंटेड स्किन, probably somebody with scars, it's not easy. So you have to first you have to put pink in your foundation, but पहले brown, orange and yellow की priority है, right? We're going to start with the eye makeup now. What I'm doing today is a combination of what I call heart socket. Cut crease को we call in the school of makeup heart socket. We're going to do our V socket. We're going to do glitter liner. We're going to start it now. This is a 150 rupees Miss Claire eye pencil. You can go buy MAC if you're rich. It's better than MAC. I'm just following the socket. I'm just literally following the socket. And that's what I do. So how do I get that angle? How do I get this angle? This is how I get the angle. Middle of the lip, end of the nose, the end of the eye. That's my angle. That's how I know कि मेरा socket कहाँ खत्म होगा. That's how I know कि मेरी eyebrows कहाँ खत्म होगी. Okay, you see that? Okay. Obviously, contouring can respect around in a way that it's thick on the outside and जैसे अंदर आता है it's quite thin. And I like to use my angular brush a lot. Right over here. That's my angular brush. This is a Delhi School of Makeup brush that we made, actually manufactured this brush for liners, brows and blending, hard blending. The harder the brush, the harder the blending, the softer the brush, the softer the blending. And we're doing a hard socket or a cut crease जहाँ पे आप अपनी socket की line को emphasize करते हुए ऊपर blend करते हो. It gives you framing and gives you depth. Whenever you want to blend something, आप किसी को blend करते हो, आप चाहे देख रहे हो कि उसकी shadowing हो रही है, dark से light जा रहा है, आप depth create करते हो. What is it? Company यहाँ पे लोग black and brown use करते हैं, use green. There's not a lot of green in that dress. There's not. This is for contrast. Right? कि मैं dark करना चाहता हूँ, but I want some color. It's very easy to put black and brown, but I want to use a different color, and I want to make the eyes colorful. So start blending. way I'm blending it, I'm pushing this line. I'm going to do it over there. I'm pushing this line right जहाँ पे वो शुरू होता है, and I just flick my brush, and I get that natural blending. And we're going to powder the screen, so I'm not so worried about the texture or the intensity for now. So you see that gradation, right? Nothing is done yet. हमारा brow bone highlighting and हमारा eyelid एक तरह का eraser की तरह काम करता है. I don't think she wants to get married. Okay. So it acts like an eraser, so you can make whatever जो भी आप you want to do a little untidy work, you can do it now. When you do your brow bone highlighting and eyelid, you can clean it up. So don't worry. Okay, we're gonna add a second socket. I call it second socket. Okay. I'm gonna use. Everybody knows Ruby Boo. Right? Some of you know Ruby Boo. I use that a lot for the eyes. This is MAC Pro Lip Palette. And just use Ruby Boo. And कोई notice कर रहा है कि मैं कौन से दो colors mix कर रहा हूँ? Red and green, and what are they on the color wheel? No idea. Yeah. But when they say complementary, what they mean is that they cut each other. They are absolutely contrasting. So I'm using two extremely contrasting colors and I'm putting them together. And when I was in London School of Beauty and Makeup, they used to say, don't touch the face, don't touch the eyes, because my हाथ literally ऐसे होते थे. But after my course in London School, I'll tell you a small story if you're interested. So अभी सुबह से कहानियाँ ही सुन रहे हो, so बहुत सुन. This was after my course finished. I went to MAC in Soho, and उसमें ये था कि अगर आप 50 पाउंड का सामान लेते हो, आपको एक मास्टर क्लास मिलती है जेम्स मॉलॉय से. And James Molloy is like right now the head of MAC Cosmetics worldwide. At that time, he was head of MAC in UK, right? So, 2 महीने की ट्रेनिंग के बाद मैं finally master class ले जाता हूँ for James Molloy training. You know what he does? The first thing he does, 2 months मेरे को face को touch करना allowed नहीं था, brush से ही touch करना allowed था. He takes some color, he puts it right over here, and he does this. The head of MAC UK is doing this. And then School of Beauty and Makeup बोल रहा है, don't touch the face. So, what do? You go with MAC. Right? So, there are no rules in makeup. There is no such thing as a bad makeup, there is no such thing as a good makeup, and there are no rules in makeup. Right, so you see that it's blended. That's the second socket. What is red doing is that green is a cool color or warm color? Cool color. Right. It's a cool color, which means that it is also a dark color. Most cool colors, blue, green, violet, if you notice, are dark colors, right? And orange, yellow, and red are bright colors, warm colors. Warm color has an effect. Why do you call it a warm color? Fire, the sun, the blood, it's always dynamic, it's always bright. But cool colors, blue, violet, green, plants and vegetables, static. Blue, water, static movement but cool. And violet, the night sky. So it's all dark. So I want dark right over here जहाँ मेरे को अपनी सबसे ज़्यादा shadow चाहिए. सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे को cut crease यहाँ चाहिए, right? This is darkest color. लेकिन मेरी bride के लिए अगर मैं green use करूँगा, खासकर जब उसकी dress में कोई green नहीं है या बहुत कम green है, it's going to make her look eyes small. उसकी आँखें छोटी लगेगी. Number 1. Number 2, उनका face comparatively dark लगेगा. And तीसरी चीज़, तो red मेरे face को थोड़ा bright कर रहा है, मेरी dress को compliment कर रहा है. किसी को याद होगा 1990 से लेकर 2000 तक एक ही आँख चलती थी bride में लाल आँखें, पूरी लाल आँखें. राइट, कोई सॉकेट बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। एंड बहुत सारे लोग जो आज बड़े नाम वो सब वही करते हैं। सो रेड आंखें मेरे को भी अच्छी लगती हैं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन अगर आप पूरी आंखें लाल कर दोगे तो आंखें आप आधी साइज छोटा कर दो। किसी की बहुत बड़ी आंखें वो उसके इट विल लुक वेरी स्मॉल। सो आईलेट कौन सा होता है हमारा आईलेट? दिस इज द आईलेट, व्हाट्स द सॉकेट? The inside part, that's socket, and the brow bone. So the eyelid is coming out. How do you do eye contouring? Do you know what smoky eye is? Smoky eye is the purest form of eye contouring. It is just eye contouring. Face contouring आप सबको पता है, ये काटो, ये लाइट करो, ये लाइट करो, ये डार्क करो, रट दो, खत्म। ऐसी eye contouring होती है। eyelid हमारा लाइट होता है, जो सामने आ रहा है उसको लाइट करो, जो अंदर जा रहा है उसको डार्क करो। That's it. राइट, सो व्हाट रेड डज, इसको मैं सेकंड सॉकेट बोलता हूँ, ये मेरे ग्रीन को हेल्प करता है ब्राइट करने में, कॉन्ट्रास्ट देने में, ड्रेस से कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने में, फेस को ब्राइट करने में, एंड सेकंड सॉकेट का मेन काम है डेप्थ देना। ये मेरे ग्रीन को डेप्थ दे रहा है। राइट, ओके, बट यू नो व्हाट, आई लाइक टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ मेकअप अ लॉट, but the problem is this is not enough आपकी आंखों को कैची बनाने के लिए कि आप यहाँ स्टेज पे हो दूल्हे के साथ और वहाँ से आपको भी देख पाए, राइट, वहाँ से आपको भी देख पाए।